Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the mass archiving of the employee in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the employee module. And when we just terminate an employee, we can archive the employee. The employee termination can be due to many reasons. And here you can find different employees over here. So if you want to just terminate any of the employee, you can just choose the employees that you want to just terminate, and afterwards you can just move on to the actions, and here you can find archive. So as I just choose archive option, you can see that I'll be getting a wizard that is employee termination. And here we can find the employees and the departure reason. It can be due to many reasons like fired, resigned, or retired, and everything. So as the employees are resigned, we can just set the departure reason as resigned, and here you can find the contract end date, as well as you can also provide a detailed reason why the employee is moving from the company. And here we have the other closing activities like the contract appraisal, company car, and equipments can be given over here. So once we click on apply, you can see that the employees will be archived from here, and that's how we can just do the mass archiving of the employee in Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.